At Aero India 2025, Vadim Badeka, CEO of Russia's United Aircraft Corporation, officially confirmed that Russia is offering the AL-41 engine, currently used in the Su-57 stealth fighter, to India for upgrading its Su-30 MKI fleet. This engine, especially the AL-41 F1S, is Delhi 117S variant, offers significantly higher thrust, approximately 142 kN, compared to the existing AL-31 FP, approximately 122 6 kN. Improved thrust-to-weight ratio yielding better acceleration and agility, enhanced fuel efficiency and reliability, extending range and mission endurance. In short, it's a performance leap, bringing Su-30 MKIs closer to 5th-generation fighter capabilities. Why is this hard for India to resist? First, performance boost and future readiness. The upgrade would noticeably elevate India's air combat capability, giving its most numerous fighter platform, Su-30 MKI, a new lease on life with superior maneuverability, payload, and range. This fits the IAF's need to compete with peer adversaries like China's J-20 and maintain air superiority. Second, technology transfer and local production. Russia's offer includes technology transfer and Make in India integration, aligning with India's strategic goals of building indigenous capability. Historically, India's defense agreements with Russia have often prioritized local production and tech access, a precedent seen with AL-31 FP manufacturing at HAL. Lastly, reliability of partnership, especially amid geopolitical uncertainties. Russia has proven more consistent at honoring defense contracts despite international sanctions, unlike Western partners whose supply lines have sometimes faltered in crisis. What are the challenges? Why India may hesitate? A disruption to existing ecosystem. India has spent years building a local manufacturing and support structure centered around the AL-31 FP. Switching to AL-41 would necessitate building a new ecosystem, integrating, testing, certifying, training personnel, and setting up supply chains. B cost and resource allocation. Setting up production facilities, tooling, workforce training, and modifications for AL-41 would require substantial investment and could divert resources from indigenous engine development efforts. C. Sovereign development aspirations. India is actively developing its own engines, for example the Kaveri, earlier abandoned, future engines for AMCA, and Tejas Mark II, GE co-production with 80% transfer. A foreign engine may offer short to mid-term gains, but could slow down hard-earned momentum on indigenous capability. Final thoughts. Russia's offer of the AL-41 engine for local production is compelling because it boosts the performance of India's backbone fighter fleet, aligns with the Make in India and technological sovereignty goals, comes from a dependable partner even during turbulence. However, India must consider the disruption to current infrastructure, significant costs, timing, and its own drive to develop sovereign engine capabilities. Essentially, India must balance short-term capability gains against long-term autonomy objectives. Its decision will reflect whether it prioritizes immediate enhancements to fleet effectiveness or doubling down on indigenous innovation. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.